Hi guys, it's VST, Velian Speaks Tech, and I am going to react today on the OnePlus One Concept Phone. So it's a OnePlus One Concept Phone, the one with the hiding camera on the back. Let's see, let's really see. Let's start the video, guys. All right. Jesus, it's just me, guys.
Now you don't see it, and now you do. Chinese phone maker OnePlus usually keeps a quiet presence at CES, but at this year's tech trade show, it announced its first ever concept phone, the OnePlus Concept One.
Now you see it, and now you don't see it, huh? Guys, is it just me, or I think that this thing here, like look, this thing here looks exactly like a scaled down like Nike logo, what? And also, is this like leather on the back? And I just... Guys, we are trying to hide the front camera, guys, all right? It's the front camera, right? We're trying to conceal the front cameras so that we get really like a bigger screen-to-body ratio. Why hiding the back camera? But maybe I don't get it, so let's keep watching.
The phone features a special glass that uses an electric current to tint the lens of the rear cameras. When the cameras are not in use, the glass is opaque and black. When it's time to take a photo, the glass turns transparent and the cameras are visible.
Guys, is that like the OnePlus 7 Pro or OnePlus 7T Pro? Just with a hiding camera on the back?
In addition to aesthetics, the feature will also create a neutral density filter for the camera, which can be controlled to tweak exposure. The idea is nifty enough, especially as a camera filter, and it works very quickly. It takes less than a second. But up close, it's a little bit underwhelming, especially since personally, I never had an issue with seeing my camera lenses. I know Apple and Google did get some flack last year when it showed off their huge camera bumps, but that was mostly about the thickness and the size of the camera bumps rather than the visibility of the lens themselves.
Oh, now I get it. Okay, maybe one good thing out of this is that you can apparently use this as a ND filter, right? Which actually I cannot do like with the regular OnePlus 7 Pro, where I don't really get this like nice hiding feature. But hey, I can buy an ND filter and just pick it up my phone, all right? So let's keep watching.
Second, OnePlus emphasized how this feature embodies beauty in the unseen. And
beautiful? I don't think so. Unseen? This looks like a goddamn shoe, you know, with some cameras inside. I mean, it doesn't really look like a phone, guys, all right? But let's see. I mean, let's see. Let's give it a chance.
If this phone was all black, it would make it sleeker. But the company showed off the device with a gaudy McLaren design. All this
the McLaren
design,
yes.
And extra lines aren't exactly minimalistic. It actually kind of reminds me of those ridiculous Virtu phones that cost $10K. And since
Virtu phone 10K, yeah.
This phone will no doubt be more expensive given all the R&D and materials that.
Is it like it's a OnePlus 7 phone or a OnePlus 7T Pro phone with just this nice bag, right? Or no?
To it. It's a wonder who this phone is.
Oh, and see the shutter button, McLaren style, yellow, nice.
For, other than rich diehard McLaren fans.
Yes.
OnePlus worked on this for 18 months and got this idea while partnering.
18 months. Jesus Christ, I think for 18 months people are sending other people to the moon or what? Honestly, I'm not impressed. They're saying that this OnePlus first entered the CES event, and I would like really to hear, guys, your comment. Do you like the OnePlus One Concept Phone? If yes, let me know down in the comments below. What exactly do you like about it? My honest opinion is it's not bad. I'm not saying it's worse, that it sucked, but I'm not impressed. And I just thought that if they wanted to make a better entry, like better appearance, then maybe they should have impressed people with something else, alright? So let's see. I would love to hear again what you think about that. And this was the OnePlus One 2 Concept Phone. VST over. Bye.